Thanks, Rebecca. Focus the nation's attention on Florida's Stand Your Ground law. And following that, a Jacksonville teen's death touched off even more debate.
Now a task force handpicked by the governor is saying the state's controversial self-defense law should stand. Lawyer John Phillips represents the family of Jordan Davis, and he's unimpressed with the task force ruling.
So it was a fairly biased report to go with a fairly biased hearing, so it's more of the same.
The task force set up by Governor Scott included his lieutenant governor and some of the people who wrote the law. As Phillips prepares a civil case, he's watching closely as the man accused in the killing may use a stand your ground defense. Phillips says the law needs serious change, even though he's not asking for it to be thrown out entirely.
I do fully expect other members of the legislature to file appropriate documents in order to try and overturn the Stand Your Ground law.
Defense lawyer Gene Nichols doesn't know if making the law more specific or throwing it out will be accomplished.
The folks who were involved in the legislature who backed this bill, who also were on this panel that the governor had formed, will also make it very difficult in order to overturn this law.
We're going to have to collaterally attack ambiguities, but this panel has nothing to do with that. The panel is just, hey, congratulations, we all, got something else for our resume.
There is a lot of criticism of the task force on one side, but some of the lawyers admit they think the law has merit. They just think it leaves too many questions unanswered, too much of the standard for standing your ground undefined.